Hi, I'm Christine Lashley, and I'd like to talk to you today about working from memory. And this is something that most plein air painters probably don't think that is possible. I used to think that myself, but I've learned that if I just think about, is my shape light or is my shape dark, then I can start doing some interesting work with just shapes and trying to create visual interest there. So let's take a look at cypress trees, which we know are upright forms. And this was from a drive I took in Tuscany. I was busy driving, and even though I tried to take pictures, a lot of the pictures were blurry, and I saw all of these wonderful shapes, a lot of variety. And cypress, as many of you know, are upright forms. And so if I do what I think is the average way of just upright forms, it's not quite enough to have some of the visual interest that I was seeing. So I can just get that down, know that they were dark shapes against the light sky, and then I can start to vary the shapes that I saw. Maybe this one is a little thicker, maybe it has some pokey edges. Let's say this one is taller. I want to work on the edge variety and the space in between. Then I can work on the base. And finally add the ground, but this is an equal shape that's not as interesting as if I go ahead and vary the land mass. So this can get you on your way to just understanding some just simple ways to capture an afternoon in Tuscany, the drive that was of so interest with the trees and the shapes of what you saw, and then perhaps augment this type of study with your photos later back in the studio. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks so much.